To get started with using an Absa Bank student account, you first need to open the account. This can be done by visiting the nearest Absa Bank branch and providing the required documents, which typically include your student identification, proof of registration, and a valid form of identification. Once your account is open, you will receive an account number and a debit card. The debit card can be used to make purchases, withdraw cash, and check your account balance at any Absa Bank ATM. To manage your account, you can use the Absa Bank mobile banking app, which allows you to view your account balance, transfer funds, and pay bills. You can download the app from the App Store on your mobile device and follow the prompts to register. To transfer funds, log into the app, select the transfer option, and enter the recipient's account details. You can also use the app to pay bills, such as your tuition fees, by selecting the Pay Bills option and following the prompts. It is also important to keep your account secure by using a strong password and keeping your debit card and account details safe. You should also regularly check your account statement to ensure that all transactions are legitimate and report any suspicious activity to Absa Bank immediately. In addition, Absa Bank offers a range of benefits to student account holders, including low monthly fees, free transactions, and access to exclusive discounts and rewards. You can find out more about these benefits by visiting the Absa Bank website or contacting the customer service team. By following these steps and using the Absa Bank mobile banking app, you can easily manage your student account and make the most of the benefits on offer. Remember to always keep your account secure and monitor your transactions regularly to avoid any potential issues.